The moon. It's easy to take for granted, just hanging up there in the night sky, but it's been Earth's silent companion for more than 4.5 billion years. But have you ever wondered how it got there? Or why it's so important to life on Earth? Well, let's dive in. The story of the moon starts with a bang, literally, around 4.5 billion years ago, not long after Earth itself formed. Our planet was struck by a Mars-sized object, often called Theia. This cosmic collision was so intense that it blasted a huge chunk of Earth's outer layer into space. Over time, that debris coalesced, cooled, and, thanks to gravity, formed the moon. So, in a way, the moon is made of the same stuff as Earth. Pretty wild, right? But the moon isn't just a leftover from a planetary smackdown. Its gravity actually shapes life on Earth. The moon's pull on our oceans creates the tides, giving us the rise and fall of the sea that's vital for coastal ecosystems. It even acts like a brake, slowing Earth's rotation a little bit every year. Without the moon, our days would be a lot shorter and our nights much darker. Now here's a surprise. The moon isn't just sitting still. It's actually drifting away from us at about 3.8 centimeters a year. That might not sound like much, but over millions of years it adds up. In the distant future, our tides will be weaker and total solar eclipses will become a thing of the past. Of course, humans have always been fascinated by the moon. Ancient cultures thought of it as a goddess, a god, a clock, or even a mirror to the soul. Fast forward to 1969, and humans made history with Apollo 11, leaving footprints and a flag on its dusty plains. But the moon still has secrets. There's frozen water at its poles, potential fuel for future explorers, and deep inside, it's not as dead as we once thought. Moonquakes still rumble beneath the surface. So, next time you look up and see that familiar crescent or full circle, remember, the moon is more than just a pretty face. It's a record of ancient violence, a guardian of Earth's rhythms, and a stepping stone to the stars. And as we dream of going back, or even building bases there, the moon's story is far from over. Thanks for joining me on this lunar journey. Until next time, keep looking up, King.